Hey guys, Johnny here. Bonus ahead. I'm on the train from Pisa to La Spiazza, and I'll switch trains there and catch the train to Montesoro. Where I'll be based for the next 3 days in Cinque Terre. So I'm going to see the 5 main towns there and take some videos, eat some great food, and have some fun. Yes, I'm going backwards. I did not choose this seat, but the train ride's going to take about an hour and 15 minutes, and it costs 31 euros. So see you there. We are now in Monterosso, and this is where I'm going to be based for the next 4 days. And I will be buying a 3-day pass, a train pass for 48 euros, discounted at the hotel. And basically I'm going to be able to hop on and hop off in the other 4 major cities and be able to put up my drone, see some great architecture, some buildings lined up on the mountains, and eat some great food and hopefully show you a good time. But for now, welcome to Monterosso. Good morning, guys. Hey, so it's my second day here. Now I'm about to get on the train to go from Montesoro to Vernazza, and you can see the line waiting. So let's go have some fun. So I just got off the train in Vernazza, supposedly one of the most picturesque postcard type of cities. So I'm walking the streets down towards the sea, and let's see what kind of pictures I can get and some drone video. This is how you do it. All right, so we are climbing 230 meters to the top of Vernazza, and from what I hear, it's all uphill. So that's why I'm out of breath. But let's do this thing. After midday coffee, the plan was to take a short walk up the hill to Corniglia. But guess what? Yeah, we have to climb about 300 steps. You guys go ahead, we'll catch you. Okay. Taking a break to get a short video of a villa, a vineyard, halfway up the way to Corniglia. Before heading back down the hill to the Vernassa train station, I stopped to have what turned out to be a phenomenal meal. Trofi al pesto. It's just delicioso. All right, just got off the train again, and we're walking through the tunnel to get to Manarola, the next town in Cinque Terre. So let's go check it out, have some fun, fly the drone, eat some good food, and see you there. When I got down to the water's edge, I saw this group of rock formations that were just stunning. Some were bigger than the others, and these teenagers and young kids were climbing up onto the rocks and jumping off and diving in. It was really cool to watch. Some were jumping from lower spots, but the braver kids, they were climbing up to the top of the very high ones, and I got some great film, and I enjoyed it. I could have watched them all day. So I did want to put my drone up, though, and I did have a little bit of hunger pains, so I wanted to find a restaurant with a view. Okay, guys, I'm not joking. This is what we have to do to get to dinner. I'm already walking 200 steps. And the restaurant, Regina di Manarola, oh my God, I was recommended this place, and what a view. I had the whitefish with red sauce, and I mean, check out this view, it's just stunning.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The rest of the day started. Today, they were fighting for that last day off.
Buongiorno, everyone. Well, it's the start of day 3 of 4 here in Cinque, Terre, and I finished my breakfast and I got some advice from the hotel clerk. I was actually just going to hop on the train. We've covered 4 of the big 5 cities here. I'm based here in Monterosso. We went to Vernazza. We saw Corniglia, and we also saw Manarola. So today, I wanted to go to Rio Maggiore, and I was going to catch a train, but they told me that the weather's going to be bad tomorrow. So I think I'm going to catch a boat. I'm trying to race down there before it leaves. So let's see if I can make it. Well, we made it to the boat. We just left Monterosso, and we are now approaching Vernazza. So that is Cornelia, which we saw yesterday, where I had to climb the stairs. There's no place to dock the boat, so we are skipping it and going straight to Manarola. Now leaving Vernazza, and we are on our way to Manarola. Hey, check out the train. Okay, we are now approaching Manarola on the boat. Okay, we are now approaching Rio Maggiore.
Prendere tunnel, uscite in mezzo alla stazione.
Because she couldn't get into a hotel from there. Because she had to fly to Hawaii, and she didn't have that. So she wanted to go back, and then I had to go here and there.
Okay, so that was Rio Maggiore, and now we're walking through the tunnel to get to the train station. And yeah, unbelievable time. And I hope you enjoyed the city. Buongiorno. Well, it's that time. Time to leave Cinque Terre. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm up to catch the train. And I just wanted to thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the videos and learned a little bit of information about the cities. And if one thing I could advise is definitely use the train system here. Because it's a 5-minute journey between each of the 5. 3 days is basically all you would need here to see all 5. I used 4, but I had a wonderful time. So if you liked what you saw, hit the like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.